Hello friends, now I want to tell you is what is strumming, basic thing for strumming, and how does the strumming works. And many people know about this, but people who don't know about what is the theory for strumming. So I can tell something about the pattern, how it works, and what is the basic concept of strumming. Strumming is nothing but the talam. In Tamil, in Carnatic music, we will say talam. In cine field, in cine music, there are several types of talams are there. Mostly, I will tell you example. 3 talams will come mostly for all the songs. Mostly, okay. One is takadimi takajanu, takadimi takajanu, takadimi takajanu, takadimi takajanu. Like that, it will go. For example, we can take many songs in that song. வராக நதிக்கர ஓரம் தக்கதி தக்கஜன்னு தக்கதி தக்கஜன்னு தக்கஜன்னு ஒரே ஒரு பாடல் கேட்டேன் தக்கதி தக்கஜன்னு. Many songs are there. Many songs. Takajunu, takadimi, like that you will go. Okay, and another pattern is takida takida. Takida takida, it is in Western they are telling that 6 by 8 like that. Takida 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 you will go. Many example, mostly that Ghana based songs will come in that tempo, takida takida like that. Okay, and for example of this is all the takida takida tandana takadim. That is not a takida takida. Actually, song will come like takida takida, and most then tanni tutti tedi vande kannu kuttina takida 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 like that it will go. Okay, and mostly some melody song will also come with takida takida. For example, nalam vaada என்னாலும் என் வாழ்த்துக்கள் தக்கிட 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 தக்கிட. It will not come தக்கதிமி தக்கஜனு நலம் வாழ தக்கதிமி தக்கஜனு. It will not go like that. It will come தக்கிட தக்கிட நலம் வாழ என்னாலும் தக்கிட 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 என்னாலும் தக்கிட தக்கிட. It will go like that. Okay, another type of these two will come mostly for all the cine songs. Okay, whatever song, mostly 80% or maybe 75% of the song we can use with this in this two talam, takida takida and takadimi takajunu. Okay, and another thing is takida takadimi takida takida taka takida takadimi takida takadimi 7/8. It will call the 7/8. Takida takadimi takida takadimi patale buddhi sunnan takida takadimi takida takadimi patale bhakti sunnan takida takadimi. Like that it will go. Okay, mostly takadimi takajanu and takida takida will come for most of the songs. Okay, this is the basic concept of the talam. Okay, they will call it jadi also in that. Now what I want to tell, for playing guitar, most of the people are telling that strumming pattern, up down down up down up down up up down 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 up up. That is not actually what to say. That is not actually actual practice. We should take the talam in our mind, then we can do the strumming. It will come easily. Takida 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 like that. And takadimi takajanu takadimi takajanu takadimi takajanu takad. Whatever strumming may be, up and up down down up, whatever may be, it should come to that rhythm of takadimi takajanu, yeah, or takida takida, depends upon the song. Okay, நெஞ்சுக்குள் பெய்திடும் மாமழை தக்கதிமி தக்கஜனு தக்கதிமி தக்கஜனு தக்கதிமி தக்கஜனு. Like that will come, but progression will be like that. Different progression will come for the song. Okay, and whatever strumming pattern are there, we can modify according to our taste and play. For me also, strumming pattern, all the strumming pattern I could not able to play on many strumming pattern. Okay, I will use normally 2-3 types of strumming pattern, which will definitely will create the sound as per the talam, that is takadimi takajanu or takida takida. Okay, what we want is we should create the talam sound perfectly, which will match with this song, which should match with this song. That is enough to play the song, sing the song and play the guitar with strumming chords. Okay, most of the people are not confusing. Their teaching methods are like that. They are teaching up down, down up, down up. My friend, one of my student told that, sir, this is very confusing. Up down, down up, down up, down up. What is that? How can we memorize it? How can we play this? No need to memorize up down, down up system. Okay, you can take the talam pattern and play according to the talam pattern. Whatever pattern we will playing in that, no problem. But what is the thing is, we should reach the correct pattern of talam with the song. Whatever song may be, we should see whether it is in takida takida or takadimi takajunu. Okay, or takida takadimi takida takadimi, whatever may be, we should take the pattern of the talam pattern of the song, and then we can play according to the talam. We can while we are playing chords, mostly we will be playing chords. We will be using this strumming pattern. Okay, for that, if we do the takadimi takida takadimi takida takadimi takida takadimi, paatale buddhi sonna, paatale buddhi sonna. That is not, we should play takida takadimi correctly. Takida takadimi, we cannot play like that, but we can make the strumming pattern which will be matching correctly to that talam, takida takadimi. Takadimi pattern it is coming. If we don't know that pattern, in what talam it's coming, they simply will say up down, up 2 times, down 2 times, up 3 times, down 3 times, up down, down up, down up. This will be confusing. So what I want to tell is, you take the correct talam pattern from the song and practice. Whatever pattern may be, it should be in that talam only. Takida takida or takadimi takajanu, it should be in that talam only, rhythm. Okay, if you play in whatever rhythm, it will match to that song. This I want to tell you to my viewers. Instead of practicing up down up system, we should take the talam from the song and you practice different strumming. It is not that what the cine songs are composed, what they are playing, while they are playing, they will be using some similar strumming pattern. What I want to tell is, we should not, it is not that we should practice the same strumming pattern. We can use our own strumming pattern also to sing the song and play the guitar. Okay, thank you.